the recording. Welcome everyone to the next iteration of the community meeting. Please don't forget to add yourself on top of the attendees list. And for today, I would like to start with some news about the releases upcoming for the KLT and Keptn. For KLT, the major work for the container runtime and the Python runtime to run tasks with Python or any container that you can build is done. We are only waiting to finish the documentation, but please try out the master build, the main build, and yeah, let us know if there are any issue before we do the release. And if you play with that, also try to support us with the documentation part. But the major part is completed. So we expect to release this by end of next week. Then small news about Keptn B1 in particular, we released 2 weeks ago, version 1.4, but there is a small security vulnerability in Gingonic, our framework to host any HTTP server for our microservices. And therefore we will do a new release, version 1.5, that addresses this vulnerability. Then from the community, is there any item that you like to discuss, questions or anything? Yes, Geoffrey?
Hi. So basically, I just have some few questions. On the recent assigned issue to me, I'm a bit confused on how to go about it. I was speaking with Anna. The description she was giving me was different from what I was actually looking at. So she spoke of explicitly removing the decoder, kind of removing the decoder explicitly, kind of removing the decoder from the function and specifying it explicitly into the main function. So those parts kind of confusing to me. I need maybe more detail on the issue. Maybe there's more detail or links I can make reference.
Which issue are we talking about?
Let me get the issue.
Injecting the decoder. This is from the scheduling gates.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, now I have the context. Could you repeat your problem? Sorry, Geoffrey, so I can try to support you better.
So trying to understand the statement she made of removing the decoder from the function and then explicitly defining it inside of the main function.
Okay.
So this is in the webbook, in the pod webbook.
So let me open your PR so it's easier to see the diff, to see what's changed.
Not in the CLT manager, in the operator, there is the pod webbook. Can you close everything? This is very confusing.
Yes.
Here it is, down.
Yeah.
Further down, under the gating on the left.
Let me, oh, perfect.
It's pod mutator folder. Down, the last. Yeah, that guy.
Yes. So this file is the one that should be adapted. Oh gosh, why it goes back to the bottom? I wanted to see where is the injection being made. I don't remember.
There is that function needs to be removed.
And instead of using this function to inject the decoder, it's too much code. We need to build outside of the handler. We build a decoder We pass it through. Is this more clear?
I think it's better than before.
Okay, so
I think now, so I won't waste much time here. Maybe I will continue my discussion with Anna on Slack to get more clarification.
the code. So in the document, I will try to highlight the points for you to have a look, so you know more. Then I have a question for you, Rakshit. Are you ready to do a demo of the changes that you provided for the time frame, or?
I'll do the demo in next week, I think, because I still haven't updated the APIs and I have my talk at KCD Mumbai this week.
Oh, okay,
So
then
I'll
prepare for the
present the
talk. Don't
demo
worry.
next week.
Perfect.
Yeah.
No worries. No worries. And good luck with the talk.
Thank you.
Okay, so if there are no further topics, I think we can keep it short. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice rest of your day and see you next week for Rakshit demo. Now I make it official. Have a great day, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.